cracking looking bike is this. A2 compatible, so if you're looking for a bike that's got a load of torque in that engine and you've just passed and you want it smooth, this is the bike for you. Aftermarket wise, it's got some aftermarket levers, obviously the aftermarket paint scheme, just to match the blue going through. Facts and figures, 2019 19 plate, 5,034 miles it's done. You've also got that radiator guard on there as well. Really light, ideal first time riders. Even if you're just looking for something to commute on, it's a great bike to do it on. Anyway, great looking, sounds pretty good as well. In order to get it purchased, it's dead easy. Pop down at John & Bikes, give us a call.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.